Tired of tilling troubles? Unleash the power of the Sun Joe electric tiller. Ready to ditch the backbreaking work of manual tilling? We're diving deep into the Sun Joe electric garden tiller cultivator to see if it's the right tool to revolutionize your gardening game. Let's get growing. The Sun Joe electric tiller cultivator boasts a 13.5 amp motor and 16-inch tilling width. It's designed to make soil preparation easier and more efficient for home gardeners. This electric tiller promises power and convenience without the hassle of gas or oil. This tiller features 6 durable, rust-proof steel tines. These tines are angled to provide maximum performance and longevity. They effortlessly break up tough soil, remove weeds, and mix in compost or fertilizer. The 13.5 amp motor allows tilling up to 16 inches wide and 8 inches deep. This makes it suitable for small to medium-sized gardens. The adjustable 3-position wheels provide optimal depth control for various soil types. Its folding handle makes storage and transport a breeze. This is a significant advantage for gardeners with limited space. Being electric-powered, it offers cleaner operation without the need for gas or oil. With a 4.6 star rating from over 30,000 reviews, it's clear this tiller is popular. Many users praise its ease of use and value for money. One user on Amazon, Mr. Hadahai, highlighted its surprising power for its small size. Another user review noted its lightweight design and maneuverability. They also compared it to gas tillers, emphasizing the trade-off between power and convenience. Overall, users appreciate its ability to handle common gardening tasks efficiently. The Sun Joe tiller offers several advantages, including its powerful motor and durable steel tines. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to handle and store. Plus, it's an eco-friendly option with low maintenance requirements. However, the corded design limits mobility, requiring an extension cord for larger areas. It may not be ideal for extremely compacted or rocky soil. It's best suited for small to medium-sized gardens, not large-scale farming. If you're a home gardener or backyard enthusiast, this tiller is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those seeking a reliable and easy-to-use tool for soil preparation. If you need to tackle extremely tough soil, consider a more heavy-duty option. Ready to transform your gardening experience? Check out the Sun Joe Electric Garden Tiller Cultivator on Amazon, link in description. Don't forget to read the latest reviews and see how it can help you create the garden of your dreams.